You are going to love the 2008 Cobalt. The Chevy Cobalt has awesome fuel economy, smooth ride, quiet cabin, and excellent performance. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, FWD, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, wheel covers, remote trunk release, steel wheels, front disc rear drum brakes. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.